let me go over the hot roller set. I'm looking to be able to pull pieces of my design back over the top and have some of this movement in the hair that makes a soft wedding style. Now on the sides here, because I know I'm going to do a chignon and I want to set directionally. So I want, when I work with the hair, that I'm going to have that dip of the chignon. This one is coming down, so that's going to, in a sense, fill in here. On the sides, because I know they're going back, I want directionally soft movement. Section 1, Section 2 and 3, Section 4 is the crown, and Section 5 is the back. Now, at this stage, depending on where she wants her volume and how much she wants her chignon, how much hair is going to be used up in the wrapping, if she has fringe on the side, there might need to be more of this hair that comes here so you can do more draping and wrapping. If her hair is not too thick, some people have a high hairline in the back, they don't have a lot of hair down here, this is where you would decide whether you need a rat or a donut. Or if she doesn't want a whole lot of fullness in this area, you could steal some of the Section 4 and add it into Section 5. But this is where it's important to think through your updo based on your client's desires and how much hair she has. It's not a really stiff tease because I want to be able to make some more movement in here, but it gives it just a little cushion. It also helps this hair up here from splitting too much. This is what a ponytail section does for you. It gives you a lot more fullness.